Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Design. So today I have this 6-inch by 12-inch tile where I want to create something for a gift for my friend. She likes vibrant colors, so I'm going for that. I'm going to do two blooms. One is deep magenta, the other one I started with the accents in purple, then I'm putting Naples yellow on top of both of them. Then I am using my custom color or from TLP. Mysterious from Art's Mind. Some more. Some magenta on this one. Darks is in purple on this one, which they were lacking before. Some more gold. This time I'm going to add pale gold from Triart. Again, these are all the paints you can find from Fluid Art Company. The link is on my description section. My cell activator is titanium white mixed with Australian Floetrol. One thing I'm not very fond of is the line in between them. Let's see. The different colors blended very nicely, but the two centers are too white for my liking. The composition looks really bad with the two centers. So I would try to probably use a suction cup to suction up some of the cell activator if it's possible. At this point I don't have too much paint on the surface, so I'm not sure how much I can take it off. So let's try. I do really love the color blends on the sides. However, I'm not happy with the centers that I have. If you can look at them, the cells on the center of the two blooms, they are really ununiform and really radical. So I think I'm going to redo it again. Let me pick it up and show you up close what I'm talking about. Look at the white cell activators. They are really not good. So let's redo it again. Colors that I started with Naples yellow, and on top of that I used my custom color, which is kind of like teal, bluish teal color. Actually no, it's kind of like turquoise bluish color, and on top of that I layered my deep magenta, and then came ore from TLP, and on top of the ore I layered with purple. I'm going to swipe it, and I'm using number 29 from Free Dot Company. This is my swiping tool. I'm using titanium white for cell activator, and my cell activator is pretty thick today. So let's see how it reacts when I'm swiping. As I am looking at the composition, I'm not really fond of it all. I'm sure none of us like the composition. However, the color that it's shining through the purple over the gold, it's so stunningly beautiful. My heart will not let me get rid of this. It's so beautiful. So I'm thinking, if I want to keep that color and if I want to keep it, what can I do to make it more beautiful? So I thought that why don't I take my skewer and see if I can do some modification. Okay, let me bring you down. I have lots of little dots. That's something's bothering me. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you what do I do with them. See, it's gone. It's a tedious process, but that's what you have to do. Anyway, so for the purpose of shortening my video, I will finish up all the little other dots later. So this is my entire composition. So this is the finished result. I resined it and look at the beauty. Oh my gosh, and that's what I was talking to you about when I said the colors are so pretty on this one. I did not care for the composition. It's all about the colors that is coming through and shining through. So thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.